I'm going to show you how to glue harden colored crochet projects for holiday decorations. I know you're thinking this is going to be messy because you see Elmer's glue, but we're going to set ourselves up right from the beginning and it's not going to be that messy. Using a disposable container, I'm using a disposable wonton soup container, you're going to do a 50-50 mix of Elmer's clear glue with warm water. Then you want to mix the glue and the water until they are completely 100% combined. Set yourself up next to a sink on top of a piece of aluminum foil or parchment paper. I'm submerging little granny squares for a holiday project I'm working on right now, but you want to submerge them into the glue, really squeeze the glue in between all of the stitches, and you just keep adding your projects in little by little. After you have them all in there, you want to make sure that you let them soak for a good 5 minutes so the glue really works inside all of your stitches. After they've soaked for about 5 minutes, you're going to squeeze out all of the excess glue back into the container so we can conserve it. I'm going to damp it out onto paper towels. This is going to get rid of more excess so our crochet projects don't look like plastic. My hands have not even started to get sticky yet. I'm holding the camera, I'm doing this with one hand, and I'm just doing a repetitive process, getting all the excess glue out, and damping off the projects on paper towels. This is a cheap roll of paper towels from the Dollar Tree, so it's not an expensive waste of materials. Once you're done, you can immediately start squeezing the rest of the excess glue out of the squares just by giving the paper towel a good squeeze. Again, we're getting rid of the excess glue that we're not going to need because we don't want these to look like plastic. I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding the camera, so just bear with me. Just threw that into the garbage. I have a garbage can right next to me. I've still only gotten one hand wet with glue, and they're not even sticky yet. And you're just going to repeat this process until you have all the excess glue out of your squares. I should have waited until I had more projects to glue harden because I still had a decent amount of glue left over, and I was able to get all of this done. The cleanup was really easy. Just threw everything in the garbage can that was right next to me, washed my hands, didn't even have to touch the sink with a glue sticky hand because I never got my left hand dirty. Lay these out how you want them to be shaped for 24 to 48 hours until they're hard. You can do snowflakes or any other holiday project that you're working on. Now that they're dry, listen to how strong they are. Doesn't even look like it was glued. Looks like I just crocheted it. Doesn't bend when I flick it. Doesn't bend when I wave it. Now, even though they're really strong, they're flexible enough to where I can easily get my yarning needle inside the stitches. See? Nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. If you're going to make something, tell me below what you're going to be making. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing. And if you make things, please take pictures. Tag me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. I love to see your work.